Aliens will never tell you. We Earth humans might actually be living inside the brain of a higher dimensional being. When you have nothing to do at night and look up at the starry sky, perhaps it is the neurons of some gigantic life form flickering. This sounds like a sci-fi novel plot, but reality is far more amazing than imagination. You lucky one getting ready for bed. Today we are going to unravel this mystery. Hello everyone. I am Sleep in Deep Space, the memory eraser. In 2020, a study published in Frontiers in Physics shocked the scientific community. Italian astrophysicist from the University of Bologna, Franco Vazza, and University of Verona neurosurgeon Alberto Filetti formed an interdisciplinary team, compared the human brain neuron network with the cosmic galaxy distribution network, and discovered that the two show remarkable structural isomorphism. The human brain has about 86 billion neurons, while the observable universe contains about 100 billion galaxies. The number of core nodes in both systems is almost at the same order of magnitude. This coincidence is astonishing. Even more surprising is the analysis of their density distributions shows both have clear dense and sparse regions, and the density ratios of these two types of regions are also highly similar. This feature hints at potential functional similarities. Just as dense neuron areas in the human brain handle high-level cognitive functions, galaxy-dense regions in the universe might also serve as information processing centers. To understand this cross-scale similarity, we first need to clarify the composition and evolution of the cosmic web. The cosmic web is a giant network structure made of dark matter, interstellar gas and galaxies, where dark matter maintains the stability of the entire system through gravity, forming the gravitational framework of the large-scale structure of the universe. Latest research data shows dark matter makes up about 26% of the universe's total content. Dark energy accounts for about 68%. Ordinary matter only 6%. The existence of the cosmic web has been confirmed by multiple observations. In November 2009, astronomers discovered in a distant universe region a filamentary structure made of galaxy clusters, providing key evidence for the cosmic web. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope observed an ancient filamentary structure of 10 galaxies. These galaxies formed 830 million years after the Big Bang, stretching over 3 million light-years, with a supermassive black hole at the center, providing important clues for tracing the early evolution of the cosmic web. These discoveries together confirm that the universe is not randomly distributed, but woven by dark matter into a vast cosmic web, where galaxies grow on this web. This highly matches the connection pattern in the brain. Neurons in the human brain connect through synapses, while galaxies in the universe are linked by dark matter filamentary fibers, forming their own complex network systems. Scientists speculate that this similarity is not accidental but reflects The universal laws of complex network neurons systems in the human brain receive signals through dendrites, process them in the cell body, and output via axons. The synaptic structure gives them efficient information processing and distributed storage capabilities. Galaxies in the universe connect through dark matter filamentary fibers, forming a cosmic neural network spanning tens of billions of light years. Further research reveals that the nodes of both systems, galaxy clusters in the cosmic web, and neurons in the brain, show striking similarities in average number of connections and clustering coefficients. This means the flow patterns of information in both systems may follow the same underlying logic. Based on this discovery, some scientists combining integrated information theory boldly speculate that consciousness is not exclusive to biological organisms. Any sufficiently complex and highly integrated system may give rise to consciousness. If the universe's network structure meets sufficient complexity and integration, it could theoretically possess some form of consciousness. But it must be made clear, correlation does not equal causation. These similarities are more likely universal features of complex network systems, rather than direct evidence that the universe has consciousness. This is also the core consensus in this research field. An interesting extension to ponder is, if the universe really is like a giant brain, how slow would its thinking speed be? The neural signal transmission speed in the human brain is not the few meters per second as previously stated, but varies. Myelinated neurons can transmit signals at around 100 meters per second. Unmyelinated ones are slower, but the average is still much faster than a few meters per second. While the upper limit of information transmission speed in the universe is the speed of light at 300,000 kilometers per second. Even so, the diameter of the Milky Way is about 100,000 light years. A complete piece of information traveling from one end of the galaxy to the other would still take hundreds of thousands of years. Even more astonishing, the diameter of the observable universe is about 93 billion light years. And the universe is still accelerating its expansion. This means, even today 13.82 billion years after the Big Bang, information from different regions of the universe may not have fully interconnected yet. This super system perhaps has not yet perceived its own full extent. From a system support perspective analogy, besides neurons, the human brain has a large number of glial cells and neurotransmitters responsible for supporting neuron function and information transmission. So do dark matter and dark energy in the universe play a similar role. Looking at the proportion of matter composition, neuron-related matter in the human brain accounts for about 30% of total mass, while water makes up 70%. In the universe, dark matter and dark energy account for 94% of total content. Ordinary matter only 6%. This proportional coincidence is thought-provoking, but it must be emphasized. This is only an inspiring analogy, not a scientific conclusion. The true nature of dark matter and dark energy remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in the field of cosmology. Fractal theory provides another interpretation. For this cross-scale similarity, self-similarity exists in nature, meaning no matter how much you zoom in on the structure, it will show the same complex patterns. The layout of galaxies in the universe and the connections of dark matter filaments outline a clear fractal pattern, while the dendritic branches of neurons in the brain also exhibit universal fractal self-repeating patterns. This similarity spanning micro and macro scales is not only breathtaking, but also inspires us to deeply ponder the fundamental laws of nature. Perhaps the universe and the brain are both complex masterpieces, carefully woven by natural laws. The quantum entanglement phenomenon adds even more imaginative space to this topic. As a classic phenomenon in quantum physics, when one particle decays into two, no matter how far apart, a change in the state of one instantly affects the other. For example, if one is left-handed, the other is right-handed. This non-local phenomenon, unconstrained by four-dimensional spacetime, has been confirmed by multiple scientific experiments. This inevitably leads one to wonder whether quantum entanglement is the internal information transmission method of this super system called the universe. Just like neurons in the brain transmit information through electrical and chemical signals, generating consciousness, could quantum entanglement in the universe also be supporting some kind of cosmic-level thinking? Although these speculations are highly attractive, the scientific community remains cautious about the view that the universe is a conscious entity. Franco Vazza and Alberto Filetti's research also clearly points out, although the universe and the brain differ vastly in scale, structurally, they do exhibit similar complexity and self-organization levels. But we cannot infer from this that the universe has consciousness. As the authors of the relevant research paper stated, these similarities may only reflect the universal laws of complex network systems, rather than meaning the universe is truly a conscious entity. The similarity between the universe and the human brain is essentially a thought-provoking scientific discovery. It reminds us that nature still holds many laws that have not been fully understood. The value of this similarity lies not in proving we live inside a creator's brain, but in providing new perspectives for understanding how the universe and the brain operate. As French astronomer from Strasbourg Observatory, Rodrigo Ibada said, "The space filled with these filaments may be one of the most important factors in galaxy formation. When we peer into the universe through large astronomical telescopes, the cosmic web that appears before our eyes is vivid evidence of galaxy formation and evolution. We do not need to rush to conclude that the universe is a conscious entity, but we can gain important insights from it. The universe and the brain are both outstanding examples of complex systems. Their similarity may be confirming even deeper, more universal laws of nature. Next time when you look up at the starry sky, feel free to think that the structure of the universe is so similar to our brain. Does this suggest a deeper connection between humans and the universe? Share your thoughts in the comments, or save this video before sleep and ponder this cosmic brain teaser once more.